a strong Regina Daniels fan. Ned Nwoko, you cannot marry another wife. Ned Nwoko, if you marry another wife, Ned Nwoko, oh my God. Ned Nwoko, we no go green, go green.
Hello my betalicious country people. Wahala be like bicycle. The wahala really wear cover shoe dey dance kelewu for social media. Hey no be small thing my people. Now don't see wetin happen now. Regina fans, they don't take to social media to protest. They don't go protest for one corner for Abuja there, say Ned Nwoko no go, they no go gree say make Ned Nwoko go marry another wife. Say no way, say because say them be Regina fans, and Ned Nwoko no go marry Regina, no go marry another wife. Can't leave that wife go come there for front of motor, go come leave Regina inside kitchen, make Regina dey cook. Hey, now be smaller for see the new wife where be say Regina even post say wifey. Hey. When I dey tell una say Ned Nwoko don marry, una think say na lie. Regina don already get 7th wife. See this girl when e dey here. Since 3 weeks now, e dey Ned Nwoko house dey struggle motor with Regina. See the type of car wey be say, see Regina car. See the same car na here Regina dey use. Regina friend indeed. Person when e be say come visit Regina. Just as I dey now, I get car for my compound. My friend come visit me since 3 weeks. He never go back. Only wetin dey do na to dey snap picture for the whole compound, go carry my car, dey snap picture, dey post for social media. Who give am that audacity? Na so the friendship strong reach. Abeg my people, make una think am, make una dey reason well, because you cannot be just, in fact, not be everybody na dey feel dey deceive. Yeah, my people, how many weeks ago? Not be 2 weeks ago. Na this lady, this thing rain for social media say Ned Nwoko don pick 7th wife. So the whole thing come dey rain. Na Regina come and say no be husband 7th wife, or say na him friend. Of recent, Ned Nwoko come grant interview say if he want to marry 7th wife, or if he want to marry, say he get the mind say he go marry more wives. Say that one they no dey dispute am. Not even Regina go fit stop am. So out of shame now, instead of they know say, they say if you can't beat them, you join them. Instead of the one, and Regina know say people go laugh am. So now Ekuku come out yesterday, come out talk for paper, say he can't tweet. He say he no get problem. If your husband want to marry another wife, he is very free to do so. He's very free to do so. Now people come say he's very free to do so, abi. So what me I want to ask be say all these people wanna they protest, say make Ned Nwoko no marry another wife. Why no protest where be say Regina look finish go to get for number 6. Why no advice and why no protest? All this our Nigeria, no wonder Buhari they call una lazy Nigeria youth. But una leave these people then in fact Regina sign am. According to fans then they yabi mama, they say na mama want all the good things of life. Now carry Regina go take do a sacrifice. So in they enjoying everything. Say now in they even they enjoying the whole Ned Nwoko wet pass even the Regina, according to wetin they talk. I don't know for them. Now wetin I see for social media now, they carry the come touch light for this my channel. Una they see and so. So all those in fans, Regina fans, where be say una they protest. One and no protest when Regina carrying 2 leg like this, enter inside marriage when he know say other wives them. They one and no protest. One and no protest. Okay, now it depend on una. When Regina look finish marry, una know they see say that Morocco wife quiet. They look them. Maybe Regina follow quiet too, because in fact it no even get option. So for the interview where we say Ned Nwoko grant BBC, he tell BBC say as in dey here, so in like our Igbo culture, say so in be typical Igbo man, and in a Muslim, so he's free to marry many wives. Say even Regina, so all in wife them no say in like plenty children, so definitely in go marry another wife. another wife will surely come. So in dey prepare Regina mind now, in dey prepare Regina for the task ahead, just as im prepare the Moroccan wife and the rest other wife wey be say dem quiet dey look. So all this one wey be say Regina dey do, everybody know say no woman, me I be woman as I dey here, so e no get any woman, even if you like make you be another religion, say your religion permit una say make una marry 10 wife. No, as even if the religion permits the man, no woman, I repeat it again, no woman wey be say e go happy say as im dey marry im husband now, another woman come marry im husband. When I talk this thing now, me I be woman o. I no which woman be that one? So in fact that Cain wey be say dem take flog the first wife, e dey for cupboard. When second wife come, dem go take am flog am. When third wife, na so the thing go continue to dey. Since e be say this Epa no want to respect himself, this kind plenty wife when he marry, he no do am. So they come marry Regina Shakabula. According to him, he say he marry Regina as a veve. Say this Regina na veve, say na Shakabula, nobody don't touch her. So now he don't bust the hole. Now he want to go find another Shakabula when go bust hole. Now so hole you want to the bust, eh? So according to the interview where we say grant BBC, he talk say now just within 3 weeks. So hey, when I hear this thing, I was shocked. Just 3 weeks when he see Regina Daniel, now be marriage. Now me I call the ask say, which time they can't go do all those tests? I be they no do tests. Hey, the thing surprised me. So he say he can't even advise young Nanedo. Now they advise young guys say, no need of courtship. Say where you see who you marry, make you who you see who you love, make you marry am. So when you marry am, for inside the house, una go dey know una self. He say in those days, in the 60s, he say na so na arranged marriage, 9 people dey marriage and then they live. So na wetin him believe be that. So una dey protest. Dey protest. Regina send una say make una protest. He sign am na, he don see ICB. So he want to flaunt cars. In the post for jet, in they do. So another babe don follow and come dey struggle the jet. Come dey struggle the private jet. Everybody want to snap picture for that private jet. That private jet don turn to museum where all the Nigerian girls wey be say dem dey eye big things, they want to stay inside snap picture. So una wey be say una dey protest, make una no protest. So Regina don come and say im permit Ned Nwoko. I know una notice one thing for some time now. The way Regina dey do like person wey be say dey take ganja, e show say the girl e no dey happy, no be lie. E no dey happy, no, because you know say as dem marry Regina come this marriage too, all the attention na him na she dey reign, na him dey reign. So Laila just dey for the background, dey look them. That time wey be say dem dey do all those their reality show wey be say the reality show Trust Nigeria. Now for abroad then they feel they do all those kind of reality show. If you want to do it for Nigeria, the way they go take yab yourself, only you go enter house. So the yabbing done too much. Now Nwoko pack in family enter house, say they no do reality show again. Even the Regina channel self, they even shut and down. Say they no do again because they talk too much. How people no go talk? No una carry una social una life carry come social media. Now make people come they help una they touch light on life inside social media. So my people, now the thing wey be say they there be that. So all now wey be say una they protest, me una no protest again. Regina sign am, im mama sign am. I never see where person go see man for just for three weeks. Now marriage be that. Hi, now wow, it is well. Oh. So my people, what are your thoughts? How una see am? What do una think about this whole thing? Because this marriage of 18, whether Regina Daniel like it or not, he no need to give permission. After all, when they marry and come the house, Laila no do anything. So make him manage what he see. So according to reports, this babe now wey be say e dey the house, wey be say Regina come social media say na in friend. They say no be in friend though, say na Ned Nwoko 7th wife. say na im 7th wife, say the babe still dey the house. I just say if person friend come visit person, go. Wetin your friend go come dey do for your house for the past 3 weeks? So my people, all the concerns Regina, all the fans wey be say dem dey concerned about Regina Daniel, say make Ned Nwoko no marry another wife. Una no go fit stop Ned Nwoko. Im talk am, una no go fit stop am. The most important thing be say Ned Nwoko is taking care of im wife and im children. He's taking care of them. And there's too much money. There's enough money to take care of them. So what una dey worry una sef? Ned Nwoko money be like a bag of rice. No matter wetin rat chop inside bag of rice, e no go show. So enough. And e get some babe dem when dem dey for social media now, dem dey lament, say they want to marry Ned. Even one princess when he contest for Big Brother Naija, he revealed the way be say Ned Nwoko be wan marry am before. He come say na yeye shortness, say in yeye well when I make, say don't no be say na yeye shortness. In for maybe na for day for number 4th or number 5th, who know. So say na mistake when he make, him don already give up to love. So my people, make we soon put our finger across, because all of us will go there, they look. Regina don't come out, don't tell, una Regina fans. Regina don't come out, tell una say him permit Ned Nwoko make him marry as many wives as he go marry. But according to him fans, the fans say they know say deep down, no be Regina Claire I need talk this matter. Say na out of shame, na just to cover shame, na make her just talk that word so that the matter go die down. We come to say as Regina talk this thing yesterday, this matter go die down. Only for him fans to come carry placard, go protest. Now wow, hey, this Regina matter no go end. All right, to my country people, now here I won't stop. Have a nice day. God bless you. I really appreciate every of una one that they watch my channel. If you never hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video if you feel like sharing. Oh yeah, my people, now here I go stop. Have a wonderful day. Bye.